Hey guys, here. Welcome to the first part of my GameMaker tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to be making a simple arcade game where an object will move left, right, up, and down. To start off, create 4 sprites. One for left, one for right, one for up, and one for down. Of course. I recommend making them either 16 by 16 or 32 by 32. This you can also make 32 by 32 or 16 by 16. Okay, now you want to make an object for player and an object for wall. For the wall object, just make it solid, and for the player, don't make it solid. So I went ahead and did all the coding off camera because I can't really talk and code at the same time. So in the step event, I find it easier to just put a code, which is in the control tab. So in the code, the first thing that you're going to do is test if he's going left but has the wrong sprite. So if h speed is smaller than 0, sprite index equals, if sprite index equals sprite right, then change to sprite left. Okay? If h speed is larger than 0, and if the sprite is left, then change to the right sprite. If he's going up, but the sprite is down, make it go up. If he's going down, and the sprite is up, make the sprite go down. And finally, test if not moving horizontally, if keyboard check VK left equals false, and keyboard check VK right equals false, h speed equals 0, and if up and down are both false, then v-speed equals 0. That's it for the step event. If you missed any of that, you can just pause the video and look at it. Collision with the wall is really simple. h-speed and v-speed equals 0. For left, if not, place meeting x minus 4, y, and object wall, h speed equals minus 2. That will make him go left. If v speed equals 0, then change the sprite to sprite left. Sorry about moving my mic around. For up, it's pretty much the same thing, but instead x is x, y is minus 4, or y minus 4. This time it's v-speed equals minus 2. And if h-speed equals 0, then change to sprite up. So then for right is pretty much the same as left, but instead it's plus 4, just 2 instead of minus 2, and it changes into sprite left instead. And finally, down is pretty much the same as up. Y plus 4, v speed 2 instead of minus 2, and sprite down. Okay, that's pretty much all you gotta do. Then you just make a simple room, place him in it, place a bunch of blocks, and test it out. Okay, so here we are in game, and you can see I can move around quite freely. And it works pretty well. The collision is perfect, and the sprite will change when collision takes place. Let's create a larger room so you can see what exactly the coding does. Okay, so here we are in a larger room. Basically what the coding does is makes it so that when you're going down and you press left and right, you're still going down. When you're going up and press left and right, you're still going up. Same for left and right. And until you let go of left or right, you'll always be going that way. When you hit the wall, it'll make it so that you stop moving that direction if you're holding another one, because h speed equals 0 right now. That's the collision with the wall. So one thing you might notice that is a little bit weird with the coding is that if you're going right and you press left, nothing will happen until you let go of right. But if you're going left and press right, you'll just all of a sudden start going right. So to fix this, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is go into the player object, and when you press left, right here, put a start of a block, an end of a block, and in front of the start, you want to put if keyboard check VK right equals false, then you do that. For up, you'll want to put if keyboard check VK down, then this is for up, the up event equals false. Same for right, but this time it'll be left. If keyboard check VK left equals false. And finally, for down, it's going to be up. VK up equals false. Okay. So now, if you run the game again, now if you press left while holding right, he won't go until you let go of right. So it's just a smoother way of programming it. So that is how to make a very basic arcade movement, or 2D if you will. And in my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a very basic platformer game. Although the coding is not so basic. Thanks for watching.